Alright, bonjour, ladies and genitals. It is a very interesting time to be in the crypto markets. Ethereum is testing $2,100. Bitcoin's pumping. What is going on? Folks, VeChain is on the verge of a breakout. And I think understanding what's going on with Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance, and VeChain Bitcoin pairing will be very important for understanding the next big move for VeChain. So folks, in this video, I'm going to try and simplify things and distill the most important technical analysis that you need to be aware of. So if you like the sound of that, I want to ask you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. And I'll tell you why you want to like, subscribe, folks. Because look, I called the exact floor for Bitcoin. For VeChain way back when over here, back in this apex. I said, if we break down, this is where I would be looking to place my buy orders. That's where I place my buy orders. And if you've been following the channel, if you would have stayed tuned, you could have gotten in with VeChain below 2 cents, 2.5 cents. Look at where it's at now, 9.5 cents. Let's just see what kind of percentage growth. Let's see, you got in at the top there. You could have been up just over 270% on VeChain, all just for staying tuned to the channel. So folks, it's honestly a financial crime to not like, subscribe, comment, share. So bottom line is, what's important right now? We're in a wedge. We're testing the upper extremities of resistance. We might have a breakout very soon here. If we break out to the upside with VeChain, that would be very significant because I think, minimum we could go here to about just over 11 cents. But I really think we could hit 13 cents. So I think 11 to 13 cents is the price target for a bullish breakup for VeChain. We're also testing the upper extremities of this pitchfork as support. Everywhere we look here, we can see that this pitchfork and the lines from this pitchfork were price reactive and relevant for price action. Everywhere we look, it was constantly acting as support / resistance. So, folks, if we can break out of this wedge, get above that key Fibonacci extension level at kind of like the 9.4 cent range, and get above this pitchfork, again, folks, I think we're seeing 11, 13 cent VeChain in the near future here. Something we could look at to try and understand if and when VeChain is going to break out bullishly is VeChain against Bitcoin. It's always good to look at the pairing with Bitcoin and try to understand hidden bullish and bearish divergence. So we're in this downtrend. We seem to be breaking out bullishly right now. We're seeming to have a shift in the trend, making higher lows and in micro higher highs as well. If we can get above this key resistance here and make a new all-time high, I think that's going to be one factor that helps VeChain not only break out, but see bullish continuation. So if anything interesting happens, if we break out, we're going to be talking about it in our Discord group. Join our Discord down in the description below as well. VeChain against Ethereum. If we can solidify support for VeChain against Ethereum at this region right here and go for that leg up, I think, again, another factor that helps VeChain pump and break out. And another thing to be aware of, folks, I don't have it pulled up quite just now, but Bitcoin dominance. By the way, if you ever want to look up Bitcoin dominance, all you have to do is go to TradingView, type in BTC.D, and then I'll take you to Bitcoin dominance. So something extremely relevant is happening with Bitcoin dominance. We fell below 60% calculated by TradingView in terms of Bitcoin dominance. This is incredibly significant because the last time we were above this key range of 60% and we fell within it, that was July, that was August, the last altcoin season. So folks, I think the good altcoins could really see bullish continuation, and VeChain is 100% one of the good altcoins. In fact, I was talking about VeChain all throughout these ranges. I put it in my top 3 list for best performing cryptocurrencies of 2021. And I mean, as you can see, it's gone up well over 270% since I started shilling this thing. So folks, in terms of my long-term price predictions for VeChain, I like to say 50 cents to $1, but I'm selling fully based off time frames. If you want to know when I'm selling, oh, by the way, Ethereum's breaking out bullish right now. If we can get above 2100, I think we're going to see bullish continuation for Ethereum. But let's look up this. Oh, actually, you know what? I don't have it in front of me right now. Join our Discord. Link for that down in the description below. In our Discord, I posted a chart by Trading Shot. Trading Shot does a very good job breaking down the Bitcoin 4-year cycles based off the last halving that we've had. I think the cycle is likely to top out September, October. So come September, October, November, that is when I'm scaling on our long-term positions and VeChain. And by then, I think VeChain has a very good chance of being the high tens of cents. So that's what I think is happening with VeChain. Short-term bullish price targets 11 to 13 cents. Let's say we break down bearishly. I then think we're going to probably retest at the very least this median line here on the pitchfork, and depending where we break out, ultimately, I think the most important support level for VeChain is the 200 EMA here on the 6 hour. So I think if we break down bearishly, we're probably going to retest this thing, and I would definitely not only long but buy more VeChain anywhere near the 200 EMA on the 6 hour. So I'm going to show you why this is probably the most important support level for VeChain. Several times we have fallen into this thing and found support. Pump, dump. Where do we stop dumping? Where did we find our support? The 200 EMA on the 6 hour. Was this just the one time? No, it wasn't. Pump, dump, 200 EMA on the 6 hour. Pump, dump, 200 EMA on the 6 hour. The 200 EMA on the 6 hours constantly been the bedrock of support for VeChain. So if we break down bearishly, I think eventually perhaps retesting it is likely. And if we go anywhere near this thing, that is 100% a buy in my book. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. So folks, I want to make this video short and sweet. If you like what we do, you want to support us, become a Patreon member. Link for that down in the description. You'll get access to our VAB Discord where we talk about low cap gems and interesting setups. I'll wrap it up here. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care.